Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for this home edit inspired declutter and organise with me. I'm a huge fan of the show, and from the very first episode I've wanted to organise my entire house. So today I'm going to be organising my kitchen to make it a lot more functional and pleasing to the eye. If you're a fan of the show, do let me know down in the comments, and also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So first of all, I'm just going to empty this cupboard out because it was definitely the worst cupboard in the kitchen. Everything just got mixed together and made no sense. So I'm just going to empty it all out, categorise it so I can see what I've got and what goes where. I love doing everything on a budget. I love to show you how you can declutter, organise, decorate and do everything in your home on a budget as well. So I did pop to the range yesterday and picked up a few of these baskets. These small ones were only 50p and then the bigger ones were 75p. So an absolute bargain. They do have the clear ones for a little bit more if you did want to get the clear plastic ones or patterned ones or anything like that. If your budget allows, you can get whatever you like, but I stuck with the cheapest option to show you that you can organise on a budget. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill these up.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you.
I absolutely love having things in the baskets rather than just free floating on the shelves. It looks so much better that way, and that is something that I did pick up from the home edit. I didn't realise what a difference it would make having things in baskets, so I definitely will be picking up a few more. But I am going to show you in today's video that you don't need a ton of containers to make everything look organised and pretty. This is just going to look so pleasing to the eye, and it's going to be so super functional without having to splash out on a ton of containers. You're organising a space, don't forget about your zones. That's what I've done here. I've gone around and put everything into its specific zone. So I've got all of my baking equipment there, tea, coffee, biscuits, hot chocolate, and then over there we've got the jars and other food. It's so much easier to keep a space organised when everything has its specific zone. So I'm just going to go around now, put it all away and try and keep each zone together.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the color.
Whenever I'm organising a space, I can never decide how I want it, and I'm always chopping and changing. As you're probably going to see throughout this video, I'll change it at least 2 to 3 times before I'm actually happy with the way it looks. But that is just the process of decluttering and organising for me. It takes me so long, but I'm really happy with how it ends up looking. Do let me know how long it takes you to organise, if you are indecisive like me, or if you just know exactly what you want when you get started.
Where you wanna go? Stars align under your face. Pretty sweet as sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really.
Do be sure to stick around until the end of the video for all of the satisfying before and after shots. I don't want to give anything away until it's all done and I can show you the big reveal. So I'm now moving on to the bottom drawer. As we don't have a pantry in this house, this is the drawer that I use for all of the tinned food and dry food, and just everything else that gets shoved into this one drawer. So I'm just going to try and empty it out and organise it so it's a little bit more functional and pleasing to the eye.
Lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything.
I keep on thinking back on it when we escaped with our first real paycheck.
So now I've pulled everything out, I'm just going to go ahead and categorise it like I did before and just try and keep everything together. I'm also going to try and colour code it like they do on the home edit, just keeping all of the same colours together to give it a bit of a rainbow effect. I don't know how this is going to work out because I've got literally a bit of everything in this drawer, so it isn't going to be a complete rainbow unfortunately, but I definitely want to try and keep as many colours together as I can, because that way it just looks neater. When you instantly look in the drawer, it all looks more put together. So I'm just going to go ahead and see what I could make with all of these tins.
Sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days. Do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lack, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word. So many.
I went ahead and used the last basket in this drawer for all of our condiments so they weren't rolling around loose, because we are forever losing them in this drawer. So I thought if I kept all of those together with the different herbs and spices, they'd be much easier to find. So I kept those all together in the basket and then just tried to arrange everything as neatly as possible around it. But I will show you how I got on at the end. I'm now going to tackle the drawer above. As you could see, there wasn't really a lot in this drawer, so it didn't take half the time as the other two, but I really needed to get this sorted. Everything was just overflowing and I had things in this drawer that really didn't need to be there, so I need to do a little bit of decluttering, get rid of a few bits and just make it a lot more put together.
All of the things we went through. 'Cause even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. And I throw
the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby,
I always find it so relaxing folding tea towels and towels. I'm not really sure why, it's just something that I really enjoy to do. So I'm going to go ahead, get them all folded, and I'm also going to cut all the labels out while I've got them all out, because whenever I hang them up the labels are always sticking out and it just looks awful. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I really hope that you've enjoyed organising my kitchen with me today. If you have, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for lots more cleaning motivation to come, and I will see you back here in the next one.